Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone could know. He's the greatest dog ever, I really think so. Clifford's so loyal, he's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Birdwell Island and there many new friends there to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog.
Woo!
Doghouse Rock.
I think that's enough telly for today. Hey, let's make a start on that new book I borrowed from the library. So you like the music channel, eh, T-Bone? Okay, T. We can watch this for a few minutes. Then we'll go back and read our book. Okay, boy? Okay.
You should have seen it! They were so good!
Emily Elizabeth watches that music channel sometimes. I really like the beat of that music.
I really like the way they move.
I think we could be a really great music group too. I've already started writing a song.
Cool.
I'd like to play drums for the band.
Ooh, that was great, Clifford. You're a natural. Follow me, T. If we work together, we'll get the moves.
All right! Okay, I'm cool. I'm a natural. Whoa! Oops.
All right, T-Bone. Now you're looking good.
T-Bone's the name, and I'm a raw dog.
Go, T-Bone. Uh-huh. Go, T-Bone. Uh-huh. Go, T-Bone. Uh-huh.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Thanks, Mac.
We could be a great music group, just like the bands on TV.
Really? I love those bands. I love their moves and their songs and what they wear and...
Would you like to be in our band, Mac?
Your band?
That's a great idea.
Oh, well, I don't know.
Oh, come on. After all, the only thing better than 3 pop stars.
It's 4 pop stars! Okay, I'll be in your band. Terrific!
All right.
And I have the perfect name for it.
What
You
is
do?
it?
The Backstreet Dogs!
Perfect!
Let's hit it, Backstreet Dogs!
Come on, Mac. You can help me sing.
Go, T-Bone. Go, Mackie. Go, T-Bone. Go, Mackie.
Hello, everybody. We're the Backstreet Dogs. Right now, let's hear it for our good friend, Mac.
Ma, Mac is my name, and I'm a dog who really appreciates great rock and roll a lot. Oh! Singing in this wonderful style, with its roots in rhyme and blues, is better than falling off a log. I'm just a little uncomfortable singing this kind of song.
You're not the only one who's uncomfortable.
I could use some help in the rhythm section, Mac. I'd be great at that, Clifford. Together we could really rock this town.
Great! So let's do this number one more time.
Take it, Mac. That was really original. Oh, thanks. But I'm not sure drumming is really my thing either.
Right. You probably have some more other talent that's even more talented. Talent.
Yes, maybe you could try dancing with Cleo.
Huh? Oh, yes, of course.
Oh, yeah, great. I'll think about it. But right now, I ought to go home. It's almost dinner time.
Me too. I have to write some more words for our song. I can't think of anything else to rhyme with dog and log.
Just write about what's important to you.
All right, then. Let's meet back here bright and early tomorrow morning.
Ready to rock and roll! Right on!
Yeah!
Follow me, Mac. Kick it, kick, kick it. Nice moves, Mac. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Stay with us, Mac. Mac, we're supposed to stay together.
I'm sorry, Cleo. I suppose I'm really more of a solo artist.
What do you mean?
I just don't think I fit into this band. My dancing style is different from yours. My drumming borders on the avant-garde, and my voice is really more suited for musical comedy. Mac, do you want to fit into this band? Well, yes, I do. Then we'll find a way to fit you in.
Good friends don't leave anyone out that wants to be in.
Hey, T-Bone! That sounds like it would make a good song.
Yeah, it would.
We'll never leave you out. We'll always let you in. We are the Backstreet Dogs, and we'll greet you with a grin. We'll make you feel at home. You'll never be left out, because spending time together is what it's all about. Bow wow! The Backstreet Dogs are cool, and on this you can depend. We all count upon each other. We're together till the end. Bow wow!
Wow, Mac, that was so cool!
Those are the best words I've ever heard for a song. Hey, that's where you can fit into this band, Mac. You can write the words for our songs.
Cool!
Yeah!
Well, of course. Why didn't I think of that before? I am great at writing lyrics.
Oh, yeah! And you're really good at writing words to songs, too.
Huh? Oh, right. Thank you, T-Bone. So come on, everyone. Let's rehearse. We've got a show to do this weekend.
We're the Backstreet Dogs from the island of Budwell. Listen very closely. We have a tale to tell.
Go T-Bone, Go T-Bone,
Go T-Bone! Go T-Bone!
It's all about our friendship. It's as good as any other. We're all very close, like a sister and three brothers. Clifford is our drummer, he's the biggest of us all. His heart's as big and friendly as he is red and tall. She really loves to dance. She'd love to have you join her. Come on now, take a chance. Come on now. Over there is Mackie, the one who writes her songs. Once you know the words, we hope you'll sing along. Woo! Did I tell you that I'm Shebo and I'm the singing dog? Rocking with my friends, sure beats falling up a log. Wow! We are the Backstreet Dogs and we count upon each other. We are friends to the end and we depend on one another. Our loyalty and friendship have brought us very far.
When you care about your friends,
Then you are a superstar.
everybody say bow!
Bow!
Say wow!
Wow!
When
you care about your friends, then you are a superstar.
Clifford! It's story time. You want to hear a Speckle story, don't you? I thought so. He's your favourite. Today's story is Speckle and the Beautiful Boat. It was a gorgeous afternoon, and Speckle and his friends decided to spend it sailing their toy boats. Everyone had made their own boat, and they were very proud of how wonderful they looked. But suddenly, Robbie's boat started sinking, and then it disappeared under the water. Without a boat, Robbie couldn't play, and that wouldn't be fun for anyone. Luckily, Speckle had an idea. They could each take a piece from their own boat and put them together to make a brand new boat for Robbie. Which they did! Soon, Robbie's new boat was sailing alongside the others. Watching it glide across the water, everyone agreed that the boat they made together was an especially beautiful boat. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun?